Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this episode, we are going to talk about WC vendor add-on for the rain theme. And when you have enabled this add-on, you are getting these options inside the backend. It allows you to create certain activity for the WordPress, and it also include your vendor specific store URLs on their profile. So if you are going to check on the front end, I'm just trying to open a single vendor page first. Okay, this one is a vendor profile, and we have included a store tab on their profile, and it will list all the product what that particular vendor has published, and anyone can visit to their profile. That's the first functionality you are getting with Rain WC vendor add-on. The next functionality what you have here, if you are going to check activity feed, so there are three type of actions what can be performed inside the activity. The one is as a vendor, when you are going to publish a new product, it will create a activity inside activity stream. So in that way, all your community member will get notified like this vendor has published a new product. The next activity type is when someone has posted a review on these products, that also create a activity inside the activity stream, and it will display like this one with the review and the review rating. We have also given a functionality in the backend. You can disable these review activities or the product activities, and along with the order activity. And the third type of activity what you have got is when someone has made a purchase. So in that will promote, like suppose that I have friends, followers. So this activity will be visible to my friends and the followers, and they will get an idea what exactly you are doing, and it will increase the possible sale of those products because your friends or your followers might visit those products, and that will increase the sale of that specific product. So these are the type of activity which can increase the social engagement on your site. The next one is design specific tweaks what we have done on vendor directory page. So if you are going to the vendor directory page, this is how the individual vendor directory is displaying, and we have two possible layout, list layout and the grid layout. After that one, if you are going to the customizer option, you can find vendor specific Rain WC vendor add-on and vendor list. We have these options which can control if you want to hide any specific option, you can hide them, like suppose that you want to hide the contact information or address information, or if you do not want to display their recent product what they have published, you can disable these elements from here. And by default we have kept them enabled. And we also have single store setting, like if I'm landing to a single store page, we have given different type of layout options. You can choose which layout fits for your requirement, and you can utilize it. And for the customization purpose, you can override all these templates files and create your own unique layout. The first one is the layout one. It will display a banner for the same banner what vendor has applied in their store setting with their avatar, and all the information will display like this one along with their phone number, address and the social section. So these layout are actually controlling the header part of these vendor profiles. Second layout, and the meta information what we are going to display for vendor specific, these can be also enabled and disabled from the bottom options. Like you just have to disable or enable these options. Like if you do not want to display the total sales, then you can hide it. If you do not want to display the vendor social links, you can hide it. Even address can also be hidden from here like this. Okay, so this is the second layout where the area will be stretched like this one. The third layout is like this, and there's a one more layout. Like we have created a container to display all this information nice and clean, and this is the fourth layout what we are offering. So in that way you can have a choice of these options and you can display for these vendor profiles. The next option what we have is more specific to favorite functionality. So suppose that there is a product and any member of the community, they can mark it as a favorite product, and all the you can consider it as a wishlist functionality. So any vendor can mark them as a favorite and they can navigate back to all their favorite marked product from their profile section, social profile section. So you have a favorite tab on the WordPress tab, and it will list all the marked favorite product here like this. That will cover all the functionality what we are offering with the RainWC vendor add-on. And if you still have any questions, contact us. For any suggestions, you can reach our contact support anytime, and we will make those improvements in future updates. Thank you.